up, guys? Okay, let me show you one of the things that we bought. Okay, let's unbox this. Odoguwake, ogini kamere. Hey, tan 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 I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Okay, let's go there. This is it bought me this beautiful and amazing, my passion, my love. Oh God, hubby. I love good things. This is what hubby bought for me. This is Moschino love. Moschino love, guys. He said the one that I bought the other day, he loved it. He really liked it because I bought that for myself. Okay, this bag, another new product came out when we went to the shopping mall. Different type. Hubby chose this one immediately and he said, did you like it? They say now woman wey be say they try, now man they give the good. Look at, let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is where you can put your phone. Inside here, you can put your phone inside. Then you cover it like this. This is Moschino love. So this is inside. Let's go. Very beautiful, you know. Odogu wake. Aya. Then I just say something simple that I will be using at home. Then hubby bought me this jeans trouser, which is we are going to be trying it right now. Aya jeans trouser. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. God. You're going to continue to bless my husband for me. This I have a new gift. Wow, look at this was the bag that I was looking for. That was December when I went to go and buy the smallest one to be using it for club and all those stuff, but they now brought it back again. Okay guys, let's try our new jeans trouser. Okay, now no say I've had weight. I'm now, instead of this S or S, I'm now using 42. Yeah. This is my new jeans trouser, 42 size. This is really giving. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I can be able to use it in this house. Sexy baby. Okay, let's try the second one because we still have the third one. Let's go there immediately. Okay, there is another second jeans trouser. What I love about this jeans trouser is elastic. The second jeans trouser, size 42, is very beautiful, and the way that it sleep on my body is really beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's go for the last jeans trouser. Let's go there and try it. We are coming back soon. Guys, let's go for the last jeans trouser. This black clothes, black. Look at this black. It's really giving, guys. It's giving. Oh God. Another wife. Everything here is giving, and the bag is giving. All of them are really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.